mile-to-mile walk through some pretty tight cover.
So these U.S. Forest Service biologists begin a hunt they hope allows them to fill in some blanks.
We know very little about the species. And so for managers to make really informed decisions, we need some really basic information about the species' life history.
This is no blind search. The team uses a GPS unit, a compass,
342.
and telemetry, since they captured, collared, and released the mother this past winter.
Well, we've got a pretty good idea where the den is. We just want to confirm that she's actually there before we head all the way in there.
As we get closer, a hitch. The mother lynx is on the move.
She's not at her den site.
So John and Jay talk strategy, take more readings, and then split up.
Maybe 40 to 70 yards in this draw. We have to make sure we don't scare her, because that's the only way we'll find the den.
In case the lynx makes a run for it, John marks pink ribbons with coordinates of her position.
If we flush her, this is all we can come back to.
Jay keeps watch through the trees, and as John closes in, Jay spots movement.
I saw the lynx move out of the stand.
So with the mother gone, the search is on for the kittens.
Now this becomes like an Easter egg hunt.
Yeah, well, hopefully with a little better odds, but she's got them stashed here somewhere close.
After some 3 minutes of looking, success. There they are.
You never get over the thrill of finding kittens.
The search in the heavy underbrush of the Lolo National Forest comes to an end with the discovery of a lynx den and 2 kittens.
The more you learn about them, the more incredible their life history is in terms of these huge territories that they navigate. How they even find this den after in their home ranges that are, almost 100 square kilometers.
The 2 kittens are offspring of a mother who growls and circles us some 10 to 15 yards away.
We've never been attacked. They do keep a pretty close watch on you.
The kittens are now part of a growing study that began 6 years ago, and they'll be monitored and identified thanks to DNA.
All we do with these kittens when they're little is just take some hair and we use that as a genetic sample. And that way we have the animal marked. Also we can tell its parentage. And sex too.
They'll remain with their mother until the winter, when biologists will try to trap all 3 of them, all in an effort to learn more about lynx.
This kitten, I think, brings to mind many of the important issues that we're studying on this study. One of the very simple questions, like, are lynx going up and down? Are the populations increasing or decreasing? How do they move through landscapes so they maintain connectivity among populations? And also how they use habitat, what they require.